Are you searching for the perfect blinds for your condo? Look no further. In this video, we will describe all the amazing features, benefits, functions, and uses of condo blinds. These blinds are specifically designed for condos, offering a seamless blend of style and functionality. With their sleek and modern design, condo blinds not only enhance the aesthetics of your living space but also provide privacy and light control. Whether you want to create a cozy atmosphere or shield yourself from the harsh sunlight, condo blinds are the perfect solution. Get ready to transform your condo with these versatile and stylish window coverings. Please click on the link to learn more, contact us, like, share and subscribe.